How to show shine like a pro. Subscribe for more videos. Shining your shoes like a pro requires a few basic tools and some patience. Here is a step-by-step guide to help you achieve a high-quality shine. Start by removing any dirt or debris from your shoes using a soft bristled brush or a damp cloth. This will ensure that the surface of your shoes is clean and free of any particles that could scratch the leather while you're shining them. Next, apply a small amount of leather conditioner to a soft cloth and gently rub it into the leather. This will help to moisturize the leather and prepare it for the shining process. Once the leather has been conditioned, take a small amount of shoe polish and apply it to another soft cloth. Rub the polish into the leather in small, circular motions, making sure to cover the entire surface of the shoes. Be sure to use a color-matching polish for your shoes, if possible. After you have applied the polish, let it sit for a few minutes to dry. This will allow the polish to fully penetrate the leather and provide a better shine. Once the polish is dry, take a soft bristled brush and use it to buff the shoes. This will help to remove any excess polish and create a high gloss shine. Finally, take a clean, dry cloth and buff the shoes again to remove any remaining dust or debris. A few additional tips for shining your shoes like a pro. Try to avoid using water when shining your shoes, as it can damage the leather. Be sure to use a high-quality shoe polish that is specifically designed for leather. Always work in small sections when applying polish, as this will help you achieve a more even and consistent shine. If your shoes have any scuffs or scratches, you can use a matching color wax to fill them in before polishing. Try to avoid using too much polish, as it can create a buildup on the leather and make the shoes appear dull. By following these steps and taking the time to properly care for your shoes, you will be able to achieve a professional quality shine every time. Do not forget to subscribe for more videos.